Guys, so this is part 2 of rationalization. So let's look at question 6. We've been taught saying rationalize the numerator. So now notice here, guys, we're touching the numerator. Okay, so what's the conjugate of the numerator? It is the square root of x plus 2, right, plus the square root of x over the square root of x plus 2 plus the square root of x. So the numerators will multiply. Okay, and the denominators will multiply. So now if the numerators multiply, what is inside will cancel if they are the same. But if they're different, like this one and this one, though, what is inside will just multiply. Okay, then minus x, okay, over 2 square root of x plus, if you want you can even expand here, 2 square root of x plus 2 plus 2 square root of x. So now notice, guys, they're the same, they'll subtract. This and this will go. I'll remain with 2 over 2 square root of x plus 2 over the square root of x. Now notice, guys, 2 is common, so you can factorize it down here. This will cancel, and the answer will be 1 over square root of x plus 2 plus the square root of x. That is our answer. Okay, let's look at part 2. That's B. So B, we have square root of y minus 2 plus the square root of y over 2. Feel free to pause out the video. Now this is the same as the first one, isn't it? It's the same as the first one. You can try answering this. It will be y minus 2, okay, plus minus the square root of y. That's a conjugate over square root of y minus 2 minus the square root of y. Similar stuff, isn't it? So here we're going to have square root of y minus 2 plus the square root of y, okay, multiplied with the square root of y minus 2 minus the square root of y. Same stuff, 2 square root of y minus 2, alright, minus the square root of y. So if you multiply this, what is inside will cancel. It will be y minus 2, right, plus minus y minus 2 plus square root of y minus 2 minus y over 2 square root of y minus 2 minus the square root of y. So this will cancel, alright, even this will cancel. I'll remain with minus 2. Then this will cancel. I'll remain with negative 1 over square root of y minus 2 minus the square root of y. Okay, that's the answer to this question. Let's go to the other question. So we have our 6 square root of x plus h plus 1 minus the square root of x plus 1 over h. The conjugate to this, you can feel free to try it out. It will be x plus h plus 1 plus the square root of x plus 1 over square root of x plus h plus 1, alright, plus the square root. Notice I'm doing this because I've told me saying the conjugate of the numerator. We're rationalizing the numerator. So I'll multiply now this with everything and this with everything. So when I multiply this and this, it's going to be x plus h plus 1. When I multiply this and that, what is inside will just multiply, isn't it? X plus 1, then x plus h plus 1. Then even this, it will be minus x plus 1, then x plus h plus 1. Then this and this, it will be minus. What is inside, this will cancel, x plus 1 over h square root of x plus h plus 1 plus the square root of x plus 1. Then this will subtract is 0, so I'll remain with x plus h plus 1. Then the negative, I'll multiply it inside, alright, then h square root of x plus h plus 1 plus the square root of x plus 1. Then this will be 0. Okay, so my answer will be h over h square root of x plus h plus 1 plus the square root of x plus 1. Then this will be 1, so it will be 1 over square root of x plus h plus 1 plus the square root of x plus 1. That is the answer. Okay, so let's try out the last video. The last question rather. Feel free to pause the video and try it out loud there, and we compare the answers. Okay, compare the answers. I'm a little bit fast because all this is just nearly the same stuff that we've been doing. Okay, what's the conjugate term? T plus 11 plus the square root of 11 over t plus 11 plus the square root of 11. So this will be square root of t plus 11 minus the square root of 11. I'll multiply it with t plus 11 plus the square root of 11 over t square root of t plus 11 plus the square root of 11. So now if I expand this, I'm going to have t plus 11, right, plus 11, then t plus 11, then minus 11, then t plus 11, then minus 11 over t plus 11 plus the square root of 11. So notice this will cancel, the 11 will cancel, I'll remain with t over t square root of t plus 11 plus the square root of 11. So much that, this is from the previous work, so much that this will cancel, I'll remain with 1 over square root of t plus 11 plus the square root of 11. And this is your answer. Alright guys, so that's how you go about these questions. And as I said, this is my number undergrad achievers, and by the time you're writing your test on the 21st of March, I should help you with most of the questions. Okay, so feel free to reach out. This involves physical tutorials. Personally, I don't do one-on-one tutorials, but involves in this is physical. Just pay, it's a 300, inbox me. This is Elon Prince. Alright, inbox me and I'll add you to our group after payments. That's how it is. So we'll do more questions actually, and I'll be posting on my YouTube channel. Okay,